Hello friends, today I'm going to unboxing P28 model router and speed test. This is ZLT P28 model. I'm going to unbox now. Here's the router. It's a bigger size compared to P25. It's included RJ45 landline cable, dual antennas, and the power adapter, 12 voltage power adapter. And it has a signal indicator, telephone line, Wi-Fi line, and 4G indicator power. Here is the reset button and WPS and WLAN reset buttons. Here we can connect 2 telephone lines and 4 RJ45 lines and 1 USB port there, and power port is there. Okay, size wise, this compared to the P25, it's very smaller one. And this single antenna P25, but this is dual antenna. Here's the antenna adapter. And the SIM tray. Now it's connected to the internet. It's indicate 4 signal bar, full signal bars, and data also okay. Okay, now going to speed test. Download speed around 27. .30 megabits per second download speed, and upload speed it's around 2 megabits per second. Actually we can't compare with the single device, this full network area, so I'm going to check again. This video doesn't have comparison as my earlier video. Download speed okay, around 26, and this download speed depend on how many users are using at the same time the tower. So if more user, we get slow internet speed. If those users, we get more speed. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.